Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to play one more game for the Game Boy, and that is Jeopardy Team Tournament. Let's have a good game. Let's win a bundle. Today. Here we go. And we have these as our categories. We have Russia, Ship Talk, Cell Division, Synonyms, Metals, and Birds. Birds are 100. Or metals 100, I guess. A heavy metal used in radiation shielding. What is lead? Birds are 100. A water bird that has a long neck and legs and often a pink body. What is a flamingo? Birds 200. Bird that looks bald, America's symbol. What is the eagle? Birds 300. The bird that is often eaten during Thanksgiving. What's a turkey? Birds are 400. A bird active at night that hoops. What's an owl? Birds are 5. This bird is often pictured as the most beautiful and graceful of water birds. What's a swan? Okay. Let's look at the categories again. Cell Division 100. During this phase of mitosis, the chromosomes are copied. Interphase. Alright. Cell division for 2. During this phase of mitosis, the nuclear membrane disappears. Chris. Prophase. The best known river in Russia is also the longest river in Europe. What is the Volga River? Russia for 2. The grassy, treeless plains of Russia. The steppes. Alright. Or steppies, however you say it. Before the 1917 revolution, this was the title of the Russian ruler. What is Tsar? For 400, same category. The treeless plains of the Russian Arctic. The tundra. The capital of Russia. What is Moscow? Alright! $2,500. For 300, cell division. During this phase of mitosis, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Metaphase. Alright. The right side of the ship when looking at the bow. What is starboard? Ship talk for 200. The brain of a ship from which the captain gives orders. The bridge, okay. Mitosis phase in which the nuclear membranes form and a furrow divides the cell. That's telophase. Telophase. A shiny bluish-white metal used to keep other metals from rusting. Zinc. The center of a ship from bow to stern. The center line. The left side of the ship when looking at the bow. What is port? Ship talk 400. Platform extending from one side of a ship to the other. The deck. During this phase of mitosis, the chromosomes separate. Anaphase. Alright. people go for recreation, especially for a vacation? What's a resort? Synonyms for two. A building material that hardens and holds bricks or stones together. What is plaster? Wrong.
Call from probably fraud.
Mortar. Alright, let's keep it going. A person who writes poetry. What's a poet? Synonyms for 400. A hard problem, a mystery, a picture with many pieces. What's a puzzle? Synonyms for 500. A written note, something that's showing that something has been received. What is a receipt? A hard, shiny, silver-white magnetic metal often found with iron and nickel. Cobalt. A mixture of two or more metals. An alloy. A very lightweight metal used to make soft drink cans. What's aluminum? Alright! Double Jeopardy coming up. The only state that borders 4 Mexican states. What is Texas? USA for 400. The only state that consists of 2 peninsulas. What is Michigan? USA for 6. The Russians sold it to Seward at 2 cents an acre. What's Alaska? USA for 800. Whenever it wants to, the state can legally break up into 5. What is Texas? But why would it want to? State that's completely surrounded by water. What is Hawaii? We have 5 other categories remaining. We have breakfast, U.S. cities, the big top, American Revolution, and U.S. government. American Revolution 200. The number of colonies declared independent from the British in 1776. What is 13? American Revolution for 400. The first Continental Congress met in this city. What is Philadelphia? The American Revolution for 600. The first shots of the American Revolution were fired in this city. What is Charleston? Wrong. Lexington. Okay. American Revolution 800. The first American victory of the Revolution was the capture of this fort. What is Fort Ticonderoga? American Revolution 1000. German soldiers hired by the British to fight in the American Revolution. The Hessians. Alright. The basic ingredients in scrapple are apples or pork scraps and this kind of mush. What is apple mush? That is not correct. Cornmeal. Alright. Next clue. Blitzes are thin, rolled ones, often filled with cheese. What are pancakes? Breakfast for 600. Daily double. The appliance used to cook these makes a great pattern on the batter as it bakes. What are waffles? Breakfast for 800. This product is made from milk cultured by bacteria. George Bush eats it for breakfast. What is yogurt? Breakfast 1000. The other daily double. Let's do it. Why not? Many of the casings for these are made from sheep intestines. What are haggis? No. What are sausages? Good thing I changed it. The big top for 200. This Florida city, called Circus City, is the home of the Ringling Museum. What is Sarasota? The big top for 400. Circus is Latin for these, of which most large American circuses have 3. What are rings? The big top for 6. You flip over a concello, first woman to perform this stunt on the flying trapeze. What is a triple somersault? The big top for 8. In 1826, Howe and Turner were the first to present their shows in one of these. What's a tent? The big top 1000. Fancy name for a tightrope walker. What is a funambulist? U.S. City, 200. With 112 square miles, Queens is the largest of its 5 boroughs. What is New York City? When built, this city's 70-story Peachtree Plaza Hotel was the world's tallest. What is Atlanta? U.S. cities for 6. Hamtramck, Michigan is within the limits of this city, whose name is from the French for straight. What is Detroit? U.S. cities for 800. In 1864, Chisholm and Meade founded this largest Kansas city on the site of an Indian village. What is Wichita? U.S. cities 1,000. With a population of over 39,000, Burlington is the state's largest city. What is Vermont? I'll take the U.S. government for 200. A plow appears on the seal of this cabinet department. What is agriculture? $400. This massive building was first constructed to house the offices of the War Department. What is the Pentagon? $600. This printed account of what is said and done in the Congress began March 4th, 1873. The Congressional Record. Oh, okay. Appointed by President Reagan in 1983, she was the first woman Secretary of Transportation. Who was Elizabeth Dole? Now the last clue. This cabinet department operates foreign trade programs and establishes weights and measures. Don't know. Commerce. Oh yeah. Chris has 6,100 and I have 43,800, and it's time for final Jeopardy. Let's see what the category is. U.S. coin. I'll do just 1,200. Visit the Anthony knocked this man off the dollar coin. I don't know. Oh, Dwight Eisenhower. So I end up with $42,600, which isn't a bad amount of money to walk away with. I'm still the winner. I'll see you all for another game after the break.